Do you need a fast and easy Valentine's card? Well, I have a solution for you. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I want to talk about really easy Valentine's cards that you can make with your Cricut or cutting machine, or if you don't even have a cutting machine, you can print out the file and then you can just hand cut it and you're good to go. Let me show you what they look like. It says Be Mine on them, and then on the back is totally plain so you can write your sentiment or whatever you want to write to your Valentine. I also include an envelope so that we're good to go there as well. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file, then we'll move over to Design Space and then we'll get started making it. Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form and you'll be emailed the password to get in. But for now, we're going to click the Enter the Library tab. Once you fill out the password or type the password and hit enter, you'll be brought to the file library. You're going to want to click on the Be Mine card file, download it to your computer, and then you can open up Design Space and we'll get started with making it. Okay, we are in a new project in Design Space, so we're going to head to Upload Image, and then Browse. Find where we downloaded the file to the computer and click Open, and then Save. Highlight that image, and then click Insert Image, and it will bring it into our canvas. And there we go. It's just the two layers. So we can head up to the Make It button in the top right corner. And we're going to see the matte preview, and then you can click Continue, select your materials, and then we can get started. For this project, you're going to need the green standard grip cutting mat, your cardstock, and some art glitter glue. I'm going to go ahead and cut everything out, and I will see you when everything is done. Alright, now that everything has been cut out, it is time to glue this card together. So we are going to flip the red layer, or the top layer, over. I'm going to grab my art glitter glue, pull out the pin, and I'm just going to cover the back with the glue. And now we're just going to flip it back over and place it over the pink or the bottom layer, depending on the colors that you choose. You're going to want to make sure that you line up all of the edges nice and good. There we go. Give it a good rub with your hand to make sure that everything is pressed down the right way. And there we go. Cute. You can flip it over and personalize it on the back if you'd like. And I did include an envelope file for you to use to finish it off. That is in the download. How cute. How easy are these? I mean, really, two pieces of cardstock. I think it really did take me less than 15 minutes to make. I hope that you guys like it, and I hope that you guys make it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials there, lots of different cards, lots of good stuff there, so make sure that you check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you later. Bye.